Hey, so I am back from the UK. In the previous video, I shared my current focus areas, broadly being DevOps, cloud, and AI. And since then, I have been busy working on my business roadmap and traveling, of course. And a few weeks before my travel to the UK, I learned about Oracle's Race to Certification 2025. I looked at the coursework for OCI AI Foundations and decided to study for it. Previously, I had done AWS Certified AI Practitioner, which helped me build a foundation in AI and machine learning. And I could see an overlap between these two certifications. So that was also a motivating factor to pursue. Um, as I was doing the coursework for AI Foundations, I saw gaps in my Oracle Cloud infrastructure understanding. So I started OCI Foundations coursework too. Well, I was quite clear that in terms of getting this certification, I will only focus on OCI AI Foundations. Well, I ended up doing 4 certifications within a matter of a few weeks, and it was work. The two certifications that I value in terms of foundation are these two associate certifications, but I also enjoyed doing the Generative AI Professional one, which was harder and had a lot more context around Gen AI and related topics. Now I'm talking in very matter of fact manner because I want to keep the video short, but I am stoked to get it done. I hope this gives you some encouragement to do what you want to do in terms of your learning endeavors. Now, as for the motivation and strategy, I'm running a business, and what's the point of pursuing certifications? And I should rather be focusing on acquiring more business. Um, so there was a part of me which was saying all those things to me, and I had to ask that part to be quiet for a minute. On reflection, my reasons were I'm seeing this as an opportunity to build a foundation in a space for my next work decade, if not more. So hence I'm wanting to put in this groundwork. Um, then there's also the deep learning is actually bringing me joy and flow. So I'm going to ride this ride hard. And quoting the barefoot investor guy, uh, tread your own path. So there's that. Tools that I used for getting these certifications done, they have their own Oracle University, so mylearn.oracle. Certainly, I use that quite a bit because content seems to be only accessible slash available at this portal. Um, I went back to using my old tools as well. So NotebookLLM, Freeform on my iPad and MacBook, so I can use Apple Pencil to write notes, and also the keyboard. Digressing here for a minute, um, Oracle really emphasizes that their training content not to be shared anywhere. So I'm just going to say that hypothetically, for personal use only, it is possible for you to copy and paste transcripts into a file and import that into your notebook LLM. From the various features, including mind map and whatnot, they can really help you accelerate your learning. There was also another component of the coursework, which was eKit. There's no way of downloading those eKits, but if you pay attention to developer tools, you can see the links which are being authenticated, and there are clearly programmatic ways of fetching that content so you can use it locally for your learning in offline mode. Um, there are pros and cons of this strategy that Oracle has for their content, which is like of keeping the content private. Now, if you have not had much value from what I have said before, please pay attention to just this bit. Now, doing these courses, they have helped me in learning about AI, ML, deep learning, foundational models, large language models, Gen AI. It's also given me an understanding of various use cases, challenges, risks, strategies around implementing AI for an organization, security frameworks for AI. Well, there's just one I have looked at from Google. Cloud provider offerings in this space. So where exactly am I going with this? Most of the foundational certifications in AI will likely touch on similar areas at this point. So if you're interested in learning about AI and ML, pick any and just go for it. Or talk to me if you'd rather have a discussion before you pick the most optimal one. Now, before I close, I will be capturing my thoughts on OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, training content, general principles that they seem to be operating by in a separate video sometime in the near future. And last but not the least, if you like this, please like, share the video, etc. And thanks for watching.